So hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Myself Gagan from Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering. Today we are going to discuss about introduction to computer graphics. So let us understand what is computer graphics. So computer graphics is a field of digital art, design and visualizations that has been a way to create and interact with the experience digital contents stunning visual effects in blockbuster movies to immersive video games. Computer graphics has been become an integral part of digital world, so pushing out the boundaries what the possible with the technology. So what is computer graphics? Computer graphics is an visual representation. So computer graphics is a process of generating and manipulating the visual content using computers and digital technologies. So this includes the creation of 3D and 2D images, so animations and interactive experiences, so hardware and software. So computer graphics relies on specialized hardware such as graphic processing units, as well as powerful software tools and algorithms to produce high quality visual output. So these tools are enable artists, designers and developers to bring their creative and visions to the life. So interdisciplinary fields. So computer graphics is an interdisciplinary fields that interacts with the areas such as computer science, mathematics, physics, and arts. So it draws a form of various disciplines to create the visual, stunning, and technology and advancement digital content. So, history of the computer graphics. In 1950, the beginning of the computer graphics has been tracked back to the 1950s. So, when early the computer scientists and engineers began exploring the uses of computer to generate and manipulate the visual content. So, this includes the development of vector-based display systems and first computer-generated animations in 1960s and 1970s. So 1960s and 1970s saw the significant advancements in computer graphics with the introduction of raster graphics and development of first computer generated 3D models and emergence of interactive computer user interfaces. In 1980s and 1990s, so in 1980s and 1990s marked a period of rapid growth and commercialization in computer graphics. The rise of personal computers and the advancements of the game consoles and the development of powerful graphics hardware and software enabled with the widespread of adoption of computer graphics in various industries, including entertainment, design, and specific visualization. So graphics hardware, CPU, central processing unit is responsible for general purpose computing tasks including the management and coordination of computer graphic operations. So CPU or GPU, the graphic processing unit is a specialized hardware component designed to perform an intensive calculation required for rendering and manipulating the visual contents such as 3D graphics and real-time effects. So display devices, computer graphics requires output devices such as monitors, projectors, and visual reality headsets, and to display the generated visual content. These videos use technologies like LCD and LED and project-based systems to create high quality and color accurate images. So graphic software, 2D graphic software tools like Adobe Photoshop and Illustrator and GIMP enable the creation and manipulation of 2D digital art, including raster and vector-based images, designs, and illustrations. 3D modeling software programs such as Autodesk, Blender, and SketchUp are used for the creation and manipulation of 3D models, so which are essential for generating the realistic 3D scenes and characteristics and environments. Animation software tools like Adobe After Effects, so Doom, Harmony, and Pixar's RenderMan allow for the creation of dynamic and lifelike animations and ranging from 2D cartoons to 3D visual effects. So real-time graphic engines. So game engines like Unity, Unreal, Enigma, and Lumber provide powerful real-time graphics capabilities and enabling the development of interactive and visual stunning applications and video games. So let us discuss about what are the rendering techniques used in computer graphics. So Rasterization. So rasterization is a rendering technique that converts a vector-based graphics into a grid of pixels, allowing for the efficient display of 2D and 3D images on the digital screen. So ray tracing. So ray tracing is an rendering technique. So that stimulates the behavior of lights, enabling the creation of highly realistic and photorealistic 3D images with accurate reflections and reflectors and lightning image. So global illumination, and the global illumination is rendering a technique that consider the indirect lighting and color blending effects and occur in 3D scenes and result in more natural and visual compelling lighting. So hardware acceleration is a leverage specialized processing of processor of GPU so to perform rendering tasks more efficiently, enabling the time graphics and interactive experiences. So 2D graphics, so pixel art. Pixel art is an 2D graphics technique that involves the manual creation of images using individual pixels, often resulting pixelated aesthetic. Vector graphics uses mathematical equations to define the shape, color of an image, allowing the scalable and resolution independent graphics. Raster graphics is also known as bitmap images are composed of grid individual pixels, providing more photorealistic and detailed representation of visual content. Graphics design. So 2D graphics are extensively used for graphic design, enabling the creation of visual and engaging, impactful design of print, web, and digital media. 3D graphics of modeling. So 3D modeling is a process of creating a 3D dimension digital representation of objects, characteristics in environment using specialized software tools. So this includes the creation of wireframe models, surface textures, and lighting effects. Animations. So 3D animations involves the creation of moving images by manipulating the 3D models over time. This can be a range of special simple movement to complex characters animations, and the special effects are created using various keyframe and motion capture techniques. So rendering is a process of generating the final high quality image or the video from 3D scene, taking into the amount of factors such as lightnings, materials, and camera settings, and advanced rendering techniques like ray tracing and global illumination produces stunning photorealistic visuals. So applications of computer graphics, and first is entertainment. So computer graphics have an entertainment industries from stunning visual effects in blockbuster movies to to experience of video games with virtual reality. So design the graphic designers, aesthetics, designers rely on the computer graphics tools to create visually compelling and function design for the wide range of applications from websites to the consumer products. Education computer graphics have transformed the educational landscape of enabling the creation of interactive, visual, engaging learning materials and stimulation of enhance understanding of complex concepts. Scientific visualization in the fields of science and engineering, computer graphics are used to visualize and interpret complex data from medical imaging to analysis of astrophysical phenomena. So thank you guys for watching this video. Please like, share, subscribe. So see you soon in the next video.